How are you doing, everyone? This is Dario and this is MediaBoxEnt Lab. So today we have a real small camera. But first, if you're just coming back, I will say thank you once again. But if this is the first time, remember to click right and design the letter M to become part of MediaBoxEnt. And remember for everyone to click the notification bell so you know next time we release a video, I'm sure they will help you on your next project. So now this is a small camera. This one will not take pictures but will record, and it's good if you want to make a project or if you're looking for a small camera like a spy camera. It has a night vision. Now this one has no battery, so it requires a battery to work, or requires power, 5 volt power supply from a computer, even a phone charger. But yes, you can even use a power bank and it will last you many hours. Now it comes with a 3M sticker that will be perfect for a dashcam, right? You can buy the adapter from 12 volt to 5 volt and power up the camera all the time, and actually use the standard camera to record inside the car, on the front of the car. I think it's a good option for that. It's simple to use, so you can use it for any other type of project. And also it comes with the microSD card reader if you have to, but the nice thing is you can just plug it in the computer, and the computer will recognize it, and you will see right away the memory card right in your computer. Now it requires 5 volt to work. Pretty simple. Right over here we have the microSD card, power, magnetic, night vision, and the lens right in the middle. And right over here I'm going to plug it in. Now right over here we have the camera, and this is to turn it on. So we're going to turn it on for you press once. You press about 5 seconds and a blue light will show up. You see that blue light? That's on. Now to record, simple. Press once here, it blinks at about 4 times and starts recording. So see, it blinks 1, 2, 3, 4. And now if you go this way, we can test the camera. We can see the resolution or the volume of the camera. That's a perfect good handling camera. If you're looking to see what the night vision will do, just throw one thing out. I'm going to turn on my display here so we get as dark as possible, because people want to know, how this thing looks at night. So let me turn it off, the lights on the studio, and now we can see the night vision. I guess we will review this in the end. So what I'm going to do in the end, I'm going to play this video so you guys can see and see what you think about the resolution of the night vision. Let's turn it on back again. You see, it's a simple camera. I mean, it's good if you're looking to make a project out of this, or use the dashboard in your car. But I will show you how to program the camera, how to set the day, and to set the loop mode or not loop mode. But one more thing too, let me turn it off the recording. You press one time here and then the blue light comes on. Now to turn the motion sensor is pretty simple. What you're going to do, you're going to press this button right over here once, it blinks red, and now the motion sensor is activated. But what we're going to do now, we're going to plug in this in the computer, and I'll show you how to real quick change the day and remove, if you want the motion sensor on, off, or if you want the loop mode off. Loop mode means it will record into the end and then will delete the oldest file. And if you want no, then what will happen, and actually will when the memory is full, will stop. So now we can see here the memory card, and the files here we can review. We play it from here, or what you can do, if you load the file there, the text file, we have the text file right over here. Pretty simple. Just put the day, year, day, and month, and the time, about the time you have there, right? In automatic will save that. And then the first Y, that will be for automatic looping or loop mode. If you don't want loop mode, put the letter N there. And this is a motion sensor. If yes, it's activated. If you want no, or you can put no, or yes and no. That's simple. It's a good camera, right? And once again, if you're looking to make a special project out of this, yeah, I can see that start blinking, so the motion sensor is already activated. So it starts blinking when it sees a movement, so we'll record. So with this, we complete the video now. You can see the footage right now. If you have a comment or anything, let me know right below the video. We can test the camera. We can see the resolution or the value of the camera. That's a perfectly good hiding camera. If you're looking to see what the night vision will do, just took one thing out. I'm gonna turn on my display here so we get as dark as possible. Because people want to know, oh, how this thing looks at night. So let me turn it off the lights on the studio, and now we can see the night vision. I guess we will review this in the end. So what I'm gonna do in the end, I'm gonna play this video so you guys can see and see what you think about the resolution of the night vision. Let's turn it on back again. You see, it's a simple camera. I mean, it's good if you look into it.